In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to ChatGPT. This is an incredibly useful skill if you want to share visual content within conversations you're having. Whether you're sharing a tutorial, a personal message, or just some fun footage, being able to upload a video can make your communication much more engaging. So, let's get started with this simple step-by-step guide. First, head over to your preferred web browser and open it up. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you feel comfortable using. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to Google. It's a familiar starting point for any online journey and makes it easy to find what you need. In the Google search bar, type in ChatGPT and press Enter. This will bring up a list of search results that are related to ChatGPT, guiding you toward the right page. As you scroll through those results, look for the official ChatGPT website. You'll recognize it by its distinct branding and layout. Go ahead and click on that link. This will take you to ChatGPT's homepage, where all the functionalities you're interested in can be accessed. Once the page loads, you'll want to keep an eye out for a plus sign symbol. This is usually a part of the interface that allows you to add more content or features. Clicking on this plus sign is your next step, as it acts as the gateway for any upload you want to perform. With the plus sign clicked, a menu will likely appear, giving you several options to choose from. Among the options presented, find and select Add Photos and Files. This is your direct pathway to uploading various media types that ChatGPT supports, including videos. It's worth noting that this might also vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, so stay alert for any changes. Now here comes an important part of the process, choosing the specific file you want to upload. A file selector will pop up, giving you access to your device's storage. This is where you'll navigate through your folders to locate the video you wish to share. If you've organized your files well, this will be a breeze. Just browse the folders until you find your desired video. Once you've located it, click on the file to select it, and then hit the Open button. This action will initiate the uploading process. Keep in mind that depending on the size of your video file and the speed of your internet connection, this could take a little bit of time. So be patient during this upload phase. You want to ensure that the entire video is uploaded correctly before moving on. After your video file uploads, you may have the option to type a prompt or a message along with it. This is completely up to you. If you want to provide some context, a description, or even instructions to accompany the video, go ahead and type it into the provided space. Doing so can help whoever you're sharing the video with to better understand your intention or the video's content. It adds a personal touch that can make the communication much clearer. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a video to ChatGPT. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and it really enhances the way you can communicate and share with others through this platform. Whether it's for business or personal use, having this capability at your fingertips can be incredibly beneficial. Thank you for following along today. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks in the future. Remember, video sharing can open up a whole new world of communication possibilities, and I hope you enjoy using this feature. Happy video sharing!